Hey guys, how you doing? This is Lee, the engineer, with another episode of the STEAM Squad show. Today we're going to be learning about Arduino. Specifically, we're going to be talking about how to get started. So today is going to be a great lesson. We do hope you learned something from it. And if you did learn something from it, please make sure that you like the video and subscribe to our channel. We're doing some great things. We're trying to teach as many people about technology as possible, and we could really use the interaction. So go ahead and help us out with that, okay? All right, let's get started. Here's an example of an Arduino. This is an Arduino Uno, and it is known as a microcontroller. Now, microcontroller is a fancy way of saying that this device controls other electrical devices. Now, what does that mean? Well, if I was making a robot and I wanted to control that robot, I would connect the motors and sensors to this device, and then I can program how the robot moves. Now, if I wanted to automate my house, I could do the same thing. Connect those devices to this controller, and I can control my whole house with programming. So let's talk about how that works. First thing you're going to do is download the Arduino software. You're going to go to www.arduino.cc, and once you get to the website, you're going to click the software section. You're going to download the Arduino software, the Arduino IDE, which is the integrated development environment, and you're going to select the operating system that's related to your computer. Mine is Windows, so I'm going to click that. They're going to ask you to support them, but you don't have to. You can just download, and it'll download to your computer. Once you do that, then you're going to install it in your computer. Once you've installed the program onto your computer, you should see an icon on your desktop that looks like this. If you don't, you just go to your start menu and type Arduino. There it is. Double click that to start your Arduino program. It should start with a blank program, and then we can get started with downloading a program to your Arduino. At this point, you can take your Arduino and connect the USB cable to it, and then connect that part to your computer. Once it's connected, what you want to do is go to your tools section, and then you want to select the board. The board that I'm using is the Arduino Uno, so I'm going to select Arduino Uno. Okay. Now at this point, you want to select the port that the Arduino is connected to on your computer. Now, if this is grayed out and your Arduino is connected to your computer, there is an extra step you'll have to do. Let me show you how to do that. So what may be happening is that what you have is an Arduino clone. It's an Arduino, but it's made by maybe another manufacturer, which means they may be using a different chip to do the processing on your microcontroller. It's a simple fix. What you're going to need to do is go and search for CH340 driver. All right, and I go to Google and I type that in, and I look for this link right here. Now I'll put the link in the description of this video, but you will click here. This will take you to this web page where they have the drivers for your Arduino. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the driver here. Once you do that, you're going to find it and install it on your computer. All right, so I downloaded that CH340 chipset install, and then I extracted the zip file, and I put the file in my desktop so you guys can see it, but you can just open it up wherever it downloads for your computer. And you're going to install that file. All right, once you get to this page right here, you're going to click install. And at that point, you're done. Now, at this point, you are going to have to close your Arduino file. You can do it now, and you can reopen it. And then when we go to our tools section, you'll see that the COM port is now available, which means we can download information into it. So that's great. That means that's the beginning of us being able to program our Arduino. Now we're going to stop here. We do hope that you learned something a little bit today in our lesson. If you liked it, feel free to like our video. And of course, if you're not, please subscribe to our channel. We really could use that interaction We do hope that you enjoyed our lesson today. And in our next lesson, we'll do our first program. I'm super excited about that. But until then, we do hope that you have a great day. Keep steaming. And we hope you enjoyed our lesson on the Steam Squad Show.